This 2012 Cruiser RV ViewFinder V-27RBSS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Selinsgrove, Pennsylvania, 17870 and is offered for sale by Susquehanna RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Cruiser RV is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features a tan interior, sleeps 5, Slideout, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.